In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to quickly read research papers. This is a great tool that can save you time and effort when you're sifting through loads of academic material. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. It's the starting point for much of our online activity and will quickly get you to where you need to be. In the search bar, simply type in ChatGPT and press enter. Google will present you with a list of search results, and you should focus on finding the official ChatGPT website. It should be one of the top hits, making it easy to spot. Once you've located the ChatGPT website link, click on it to enter the site. You'll be taken to a landing page that showcases various options and functionalities of the platform. It's here that the fun starts. Look for a plus sign or some kind of add button. This is what you'll click to proceed to the next crucial step. You'll need to upload your research paper. This is done by clicking on the Add Photos and Files button. This feature allows you to upload a file from your computer, so make sure your research paper is ready and easily accessible. Once you click that button, a file upload window will appear. From here, navigate through your documents and select the file that you wish to upload. Make sure you're selecting the right document, especially if you have multiple versions or drafts of a paper. After uploading your file, now comes the magic. You'll need to type a prompt in ChatGPT to instruct it on what exactly you need. For instance, you could type something like, "Please summarize this paper," or ask more specific questions like, "What are the key findings?" Or, "Explain the methodology." This is where ChatGPT excels, offering precise responses based on the prompt you provide. Finally, hit the Submit button. This will set ChatGPT into action, processing the information and generating a response based on your prompt. You'll receive a summary or insights that can help you better understand the paper without having to read every single word. This is a particularly helpful feature if you're trying to digest multiple studies in a limited amount of time. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to utilize ChatGPT for reading research papers quickly. With these steps, you'll be able to extract essential information and save a considerable amount of your valuable time. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.